a good win for us in this group, another 3 points. I thought the girls did very well today. We knew playing against Zanzibar, it's going to be very difficult, very physical players. So we knew that we're going to have to grind for a result today. But I believe in the players' ability. I believe in the way we plan for this match. The girls are understanding how we want to play. Our game model is very specific, so they understand how we want them to play in certain moments, in certain areas within the field. But I knew that we'll be able to beat Zanzibar today because of what we have, the quality of players that we have in the team. I think we knew they were wanted to come at us, and we had to kind of sustain the pressure. They were made it critical for us really to penetrate. But we knew that because of the ability, we were trying to create work and see how we can get behind the defense line. That was really the aim, and to score a lot of goals today. However, in terms of the substitutes, we made our subs a bit later because we only had 2 goals. We were wishing to score a 3rd goal a bit earlier. And not to destabilize the team, we brought on substitutes that was direct, that will still give us the intensity, that would still give us the explosivity, that would still give us the acceleration that we want and the speed up front. So our subs were very, very specific today so that we don't drop the intensity in the match.